Okay, so we're going to do a lot like we did in Lesson 1A, where we follow the directions to draw points, but this time we're going to be drawing rays and making angles. So we're going to start off again by drawing 2 points, A and B. So point A and point B. Then it says to use a straight edge to draw a ray, AB. So I'm starting at A, and I'm going to go past B. Because if you look at the, that's good. If you look at the picture, the label shows that you start at A because that has the end, and B has the arrow so that you pass through it. Okay? So, ray AB. Then it says draw a new point that's not on ray AB and label it C. So let's put C out here. And then it says draw a line segment to AC. So a line segment starts at A and ends at C. Oh, I'm having trouble getting that to work. Sorry about that. There we go. And we have now drawn a line segment AC. I know it has a stopping point because there are no arrows on the label. So line segment AC. Now it says draw a point not on ray B or line segment AC and call it D. So let's put D out here. And then it says to construct line CD. So I need to pass through C and pass through D, so I need arrows at both ends. Alright, don't forget to always pause if you need to catch up. And then use the point you've already labeled to give me one angle. So remember, angles are where 2 rays come together. So I can see that I have an angle right here. So this angle is C to A to B. If I connect the dots, I can see an angle right here, CAB. So I'm going to label it angle CAB. Alright, let's move on. Similar situation. Says we're going to, let's do a little purple, draw points A and B. Let's start down here, A and B. Then it says to use a straight edge to draw a line segment, AB. Again, I can tell from this label that I'm going to start at A and end at B. Then it says to do a new point that's not on line segment AB and call it C. So let's put C up here for a change. Then it says to make a ray starting at B and passing through C. Since it's a ray, I have to start at B and pass through C. Okay? Now it says draw a new point that's not on ray BC and not on line segment AB and label it D. So where do you want to put D? How about we put D over here? We're going to construct line AD. So I know it's going to pass through A and pass through D because I see arrows on the label. Line segment. Now it says identify, done all these steps, identify angle DAB by drawing an arc to indicate the position of the angle. So I'm going to start at angle D, like it says, go to A, which is the vertex. You guys aren't, you don't need to draw this part. I just want to show you where this angle is. Oh man, sensitive today. So here, we'll try it again. So I'm going from D to A to B. Okay, but it says I have to make an arc to indicate the position of that angle. So here's how I make an arc. I show that I'm connecting this line to this line segment by touching it here and here. That means I would actually be talking about the space that's in between. Okay? When it says, can you identify another angle on the points you have drawn? So if I look, I can see that this is also an angle. And it starts at C, the vertex is B, and it ends at A. So on the line here, you can say angle CBA. The vertex always has to go in the middle. You could have called it ABC too if you want. Alright? Now it says that we're supposed to extend the line segments of this diamond to make rays and assign letters to the points. Use those points to label and name 2 of each shape in the following table. So let's just see, we're going to need to make rays, line segments, and angles. So let's just start off by making some rays here. It says extend the lines. Let's make this an end point and call it A. And let's extend this out to here. We'll call this endpoint B. This will be C, and this will be D. Let's extend from B to C. That's a ray. I start at B and I extend through C. And then I also want to extend A to D. Actually, I just did D to A, didn't I? Alright. So it says, let's show a ray. So a ray in this case would be DA. So let's do ray. Let's put the little symbol above it, DA. It starts at D, passes through A. Let's make a line segment here. And we don't have arrows passing through, so let's call it line segment DC. And then an angle we need to have. We can pick any one we like, but let's use this one here. And then we're going to show the arc. So we're going to call it A, B, C, because the vertex is the middle, it has to be the middle point. So we found angle, oops, sorry, I just did that backwards. Found angle A, B, C. Okay, thank you.